Hello. This is a get to know me video. I'm glad to be here. My name is Gifts and Kiru, and this is the voice and the face behind this beautiful channel, 426 Kitchen. Basically, here in this channel, we just cook. We cook, okay? I've been seeing so many food channels, so many food content, and I felt that my own technique should also be learned. That was basically why I opened this channel. As a stay-at-home mom, I felt I should just get doing something. I'm a chef. Yes, I cook all kinds of food. And on this channel, we'll be cooking all kinds of Nigerian dishes, all kinds of soup, jollof rice, white rice, all kinds of Nigerian dishes. So that's what we'll be doing here. All right, this is a get to know me video. All right, I felt I should do this video. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, but I just felt it would be nice for you to see the face behind this beautiful channel. This is me. This is me. This is me. I'm married with a set of twins, and we are doing well. So this is a get to know me video. Please, if you haven't subscribed and you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe. On this channel, we do great work. We do great cooking. Our techniques are unique, and I know that when you try any of our recipes, you'll be hooked to it. All right, we cook Nigerian soups like fire, and the taste will always bang, right? At this point, I will say that I'm a baby YouTuber. I'm a baby YouTube. At this point, I will say I'm a baby YouTuber. Please help subscribe to the channel. All right, give any form of assistance or push, likes, comments. We'll just be open to take your corrections. In this place, we love being corrected, and that is it. When I posted this Afang soup, how I made Afang soup differently, some comments that I got there, I just wanted to address it. You know, I don't know how people will always want to water down your efforts, want to make you look like you never did anything. But I'm not that kind of person. I'm a very resilient person, straight to the point person. And I feel that I should address one or two of the comments that I got there. This one here said that there are no other ways you can make or achieve a good epic afang soup apart from the traditional way that he knows. Bro or sis, is something called exploring. What that means is doing things in a different way to achieve a certain result. Probably the same result that you thought that the locals or the Efik people, as you say, achieve. Doing things in a different way to achieve a better or the same result. If you've not been exploring, please try to explore. Do things in a different way. It mustn't be that particular one that you know. It mustn't be that pattern, how they cook Afang soup. You can cook it in any way you can. You can decide to want to put the leaf or fry the leaf as I did, so long as you don't overcook your vegetable, right? That is what matters. That is what matters. So try to explore, try to do things different. And again, I want to bring this, and this comment here said water soup. Oh my god, see, if you had a taste of that soup, you'll become my friend. But one thing, I just want you to use that recipe, right? Make your next afang soup and come and tell me how it's banged. It will bang. It will bang, I'm telling you. Use that recipe for your next afang soup, and please don't overcook your vegetables. Now, enough of the comment review. Enough. This is a get to know me video. Yeah, That's basically why I'm here to thank every one of you for subscribing. We are way more above 300 subscribers. Like I said, I'm a baby YouTuber and this is a baby page. So please help us subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share to your family, to your friends, to anybody you think want to learn any kind of soup that we teach here. Please share our videos basically. Thank you. Thank you. This is the voice behind this channel. All right. Thank you. And by the grace of God, that's Afang soup that I cooked differently, okay, is doing well. I don't know what doing well means. Like I said, I'm a baby YouTuber, but to the glory of God, is doing well somehow. It has the best view so far, okay. And if you haven't seen it, I think it will be linked somewhere here, okay, for you to watch and then see what I did there and also recreate. That's what we do here, right? We, you know, when you see someone doing the right thing, I think there's no harm in learning and also in trying a new thing. So that's why we are here. All right, thank you for supporting me. Like I said, I'm a baby YouTuber. I don't even know what goes on here, but I just try to, you know, post what I do in my kitchen and also to lighten up your world, that it's not only that particular way of making the soup, it has to be like this. No, it mustn't be like that. Okay, you can't just, you know, flip things around, and that's why we're here, to flip things around so we can also arrive at the same destination. Like I said, if you haven't seen this afang soup, how I made afang soup differently, this video here, please do well to watch it. All right, thank you for watching our videos always. Till I meet you in our next tutorial, be safe. If you're in Nigeria, be safe. If you're in diaspora, be safe. I love you. Bye.